Good morning, YouTube. What is going on, everybody? Yeah, I need to get this autofocus locked. Anyhow, yeah, we're getting ready to go here. Need to go through Dallas over there. Well, South Dallas, and get the trailer washed out, and then go across the street to the truck stop, and then we're gonna head on south. I mean, it's 10 minutes to 5 my time, but yeah, by the time I get the trailer washed out and get everything done, maybe I'll get down there at Temple right when they open. Down there and get the trailer fixed. Yeah. That's the goal anyways. Well, it's 137 miles down there, but we're going to divert off of 35 for a minute. Well, I just had a black cat run across in front of me. I don't like that. Anywho, I'm hoping that all that traffic that was on 35 yesterday is gone for now. But we'll see. Yep. Here we gotta make a left and then a hard right to get on 183. It ain't real, yeah, it's not too bad when there ain't no traffic. Now when there's traffic, it can get a bit difficult. There was no traffic this morning, so we all right. Anywho, all right, I'll get back. Yeah, all this right here yesterday was a parking lot, so we already doing better than what yesterday was. Granted, it is 4 o'clock in the morning. But, anywho, yep, moving into downtown. Yeah, look at there, they got the Reunion Tower flashing now. Doing something. Oh, yeah. Well, they got it lit back up. It's been off for a couple months now, but yeah. Now they got it going again. The lights are changing colors and all. Yeah, what a deal. Hey folks, here we are getting on I-20. Yeah. And it's just a couple miles up here to the truck wash. here shortly. Alright, we just got off the exit here for the truck wash. There's two different truck washes here. We're just gonna go with the one across the street from the Flying J and hope for the best. Yeah. Well, I need to clean that windshield. It's looking rough. We'll do that when I get fuel. Oh no, looks like a truck just pulled in there. Great, great. Oh well. It is what it is. I need to wash out. This trailer's pretty bad. Oh no. They backed up around the corner here. And the washout is closed. Yeah, we'll go for the other one. I gotta turn around.
This is my matter displacement.
Go across the street here first, get something to drink, and then we'll go to the other one. Alright, I'll get back. Alright, folks. Here we go. We're gonna go try this other place now. Yeah, they still wrapped around the corner across the street there. You know, this truck stop here must get pretty bad at night because, well, I didn't see them in there tonight. A lot of times I come in here, they got armed guards in there. But I didn't see them in there tonight. Anywho, maybe it's gotten a little better in the past few years. I ain't stopped at this truck stop. Well, I did a couple weeks ago, but not really. Anywho, hopefully this other washout ain't backed up. Get in here. Yeah, they look to be backed up too, but it needs a washout. So what we want to do, it ain't as backed up as bad as the other one. my guess is that Stevens Transport is probably just a washout like me. So we're gonna go to that lane. Go to this lane. Alright, I'll get back with y'all when I get out of here. This truck in front of this Stevens truck's been in that bay for 30 minutes now. This is ridiculous. If I'd have went in that other lane, I'd be up there right now. But, well, no. I'd still be in the same place because that truck was ahead of, yeah, I'd have been right here in the same place, but still. This is ridiculous. Now I didn't see here long enough, it's starting to rain. Yeah, what a deal. All these people getting their truck washed and it's starting to rain. Well, I was right about the Stevens truck. All he was getting was a washout. But they're training right now, so that's what's been taking this lane so long. Alright, folks, we finally got out of there. Yeah, it took forever. But I think you stop down here in about 5 miles, go into Carl's Jr. and get me a couple of biscuits or something up home for. And then we'll finish this trip out. We still got 86 miles down here to where we're going. Alright, folks, Waco. Yep, just past the McLean Stadium. Right here gonna be the Foster Pavilion for Baylor University. Yep, well. Miles down here to where we're going in Temple, Texas. Look at this jackass. Oh, I got around the big truck. Oh. Idiot. Anywho. I'll get back. Yes, sir, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. Oh, even out here, the slow trucks got a habit of riding in the middle lane, no matter where you at. If there's a middle lane, slow trucks are riding in it. Alrighty, folks, right here, yeah, Custom Motorsports and Performance is where we turn. Back here in the back is where this yard is, where we get the trailer work done. Yep. Anywho, alright, I'll get back. Yes sir, that's what I'm talking about. Well, I thought I'd be waiting for the trailer, but they just told me I had to drop it. What a deal. So now I gotta drop it. Oh well, it's here. They know what it needs. Alright folks, well, yeah, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm still sitting, waiting on my trailer to get fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. If y'all made it this far, thanks for watching TTVE, and we will see y'all tomorrow. Bye for now.